guys? This is Whiplash back again with yet another $1 million video, and today I'm going to have a little unboxing for you guys. This has been a really long awaited moment for me because I placed this order back in February and I'm just getting it now. Actually, so basically the story behind these is that I placed the order. Actually, I bought these supposedly like last year, but then I had a lot of problems with my bank and my card because I was potentially getting scammed, and someone hacked into my bank account and was buying shit, so I couldn't, use my card. So unfortunately, I just totally forgot about. I canceled the order, totally forgot about getting a pair of these, and just waited. And once when my bank was cleared, I think it was, I would say around January, I decided to place an order in February for these, and they were on back order for the longest time because of COVID. They had to build these in Taiwan, and then they had to ship them to Cali, and then to LA, and then they had to ship it to my house. So for them to get it, they kept telling me it would take about 6 to 8 weeks, and then they kept prolonging it. Oh, it should be done by April. It should be ready by March. It should be ready by April. Oh, it should be ready by May. And then, oh, it should be ready by June. And it just kept going like more and more back. And it was like, holy shit, like, am I ever gonna fucking get these? So, long story short, I basically got the Evo R carbon fiber F1 mirrors. These are probably one of my favorite mods I've been doing to my Z recently. And now I'm pretty excited because besides cosmetics, the wide body kit for the car is being wrapped up, and besides cosmetics, we are finally getting into the stage that I'm starting to put more power into the car. So I did get 3-inch intakes. I'm going to be on the phone soon with AAM to hopefully secure a pair of test pipes for the car, and then go ahead and go to Nissan and secure a set of GTR injectors and buy an AAM fuel pump from like Amazon or whatever, a little 340 pump. Hopefully shooting for around 320 to 330 wheel. I'll be pretty excited with that. I don't want to put too much money into getting bolt-ons because I do plan on going boost very soon. Besides me having the kit, I'm either going to go with a used Soho kit that I have, that a friend has. Hopefully I can pick up from him, and if not, if he doesn't end up selling it, then I'm just going to go with like a boosted performance kit or a stage 2 Soho Motorsports kit, and hopefully push around like 650 wheel. But when I buy the kit, I do plan on just having it to the side, and once I get my daily, throwing the car in the shop to build the motor, build the trans, because I want to be able to push like 700 to 800, especially around the 700 range, like 700, 720, reliably with the built motor and built trans, and not have to worry about any problems. I usually run the car around like 600 wheel, but then my 700 wheel map would be like my kill map, which I probably would never use. And if the only time I would ever use it is if like I'm headed to the track, or if I'm like in the outskirts of like the country, a long stretch between mountains and shit, and fucking acres of farmland, I'm just gunning it straight down. So that's the only time I would use it. I would really never use it on the highway or on the street because I do want to be really responsible with this car, because I put a lot of money into this. The Carbon ZTR project is almost done. Okay, cosmetic. Actually, it is pretty much finished cosmetically. I think the only thing I will get left cosmetically is fucking like the carbon fiber door handles, which they're actually gonna add to this order, but for some reason they didn't have it. They told me they're gonna put them to the side, but they didn't have them. So I was like, should I spend 160 with Evo R, or should I just get them through like another like small company that's doing carbon parts for like 120? I think I'd rather support them because I don't feel like waiting another 2 weeks for these mirrors. So anyway, let me go ahead and stop talking and crack these open because it's been a long time. I'm gonna do this to Getaway and use this to open this shit. So stick my finger in here. I'm very excited for these mirrors. I've been waiting so fucking long. Let's go ahead and get the box open. I do like the way they package this. They put a lot of like fucking styrofoam and shit in here. Pretty cool. Protecting it, all that good stuff. Okay, so I got the one with the black base, and this is the mirror right here wrapped up in a bunch of styrofoam. They wrap this very well. So they do also have the Evo R headlights. Now, I was gonna stick with my headlights that I have now that have like the red, little cone, or the housing in the front, because it looks pretty cool. It looks like a Pokemon, like an angry Pokemon. I like the way it looks. But, I do want to give the Z a more modern look. And I feel like the Morimoto headlights do definitely give the Z like a more like 2020, like, 2019, 2021 look to the car. So I do like how, it looks way more up to date compared to the headlights the car has now. So I honestly feel like, around, not now, but around the Black Friday season, I do know they go on a pretty good discount, I think like 20% off on those headlights. So I'm gonna wait for Black Friday to secure a pair of those, and also got a pair of Nismo DR, or the regular Sport DRLs for the Z, so I can go ahead and throw them in my bumper. So the front bumper's fully lighted up and shit. But here goes the black base. Looks pretty nice. I do like the way it looks now. The unravelable. Cool. I was about to say I thought that was a scratch for a second. I was probably mad as hell. But but here goes. Whoa, these mirrors are like hella fucking like Holy shit, this is like glassy as hell. But yeah, these are it, man. These are the EVAR carbon fiber mirrors, and they're fully adjustable. It's just that the only thing that I'm gonna be losing on these is automatic, like, you know, it doing it by itself and whatever. The feature, you know, with mirrors moving on their own, it's like the automatic mirror adjustment feature that I'm gonna be losing, but honestly I really don't care about that. Now with my build, I do want to keep it as OEM as possible, so I don't want to get rid of the seats. I don't want race bucket seats because I do want to have the heated seats and the automatic electronic reclining seats and all that good stuff. So I'm not gonna get any racing seats, but the only thing I am willing to get rid of is the mirrors for these, because these are so sick and add such an aggressive look to the car with these on. So I am very excited to finally get these in the mail because I've been waiting for these for a long time. The condition seems pretty good. I do see some damage though on this one. Looks like, which I'll show you guys, it's like right here on the right, they do seem damaged. You guys will see a better look, you know, with B-roll, but I'm just at least looking with these, it's not to the point I want to send them back, you know, because I do not plan on waiting another fucking 6 months for 4 months, however, 5 months for you know, for these shits. I don't plan on waiting that long again. So I'm gonna put this back in a wrap because I don't want to get it all, like, you know, fogged up and stuff. So I'm pretty excited on these. Now for the second one, you know, I heard stories of people buying door handles and they end up sending them like 2 right-hand sides. So I'm just praying to God they don't do some goofy shit like that with my shit. So let's go ahead and take this off. Where is the? Alright, and then let's go ahead and yeah, this one too. This one came like hella dirty right here. And also the underside, I don't know if it's just like ashy or if it's just me, but I have to wipe that down. I don't know if it's carbon or what, but it looks like hella ashy. Maybe this is adjustable. I have no clue. But you guys will see B-roll how like ashy this looks. And carbon usually does look like this. So then again, I kind of gotta expect that. I can't really be mad at that because carbon, that's what carbon does. This is a full carbon fiber. No, it's not a mirror cap, it's all carbon. I am very excited to put these on the car. This shit is gonna look sick as hell on both sides. I just need my car back so I can go ahead and install these on. But I'm very excited, very excited to, you know, install these to the car. This is gonna be one of my favorite mods, besides the LED steering wheel, and then definitely getting those more moto lights in the future. I'll be pretty excited for that as well. That's gonna be a $2 grand, you know, setup just on lights alone. But you know, it's all good. Can't wait for those when they come in. And yeah, hopefully you guys will see the breakdown of the car soon as far as like the aesthetics go. I'll probably give it about, besides this week, 1 more week left besides this week. So the car should be completely done next week, and the car should be completely done. And as far as the car being tuned and the car having, you know, having all the bolt-ons on and shit, maybe next weekend too, or probably I would say by the end of this month, I should be able to hit the dyno and go ahead and get the car tuned or be street tuned or whatever the case would be. I'm not sure who I want to get tuned by, either AAM because they're very local, they're 50 minutes away, and they're a reputable Nissan Infiniti specialist, or get tuned by admin. So I'm not sure street tune wise, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna go. But I'll go ahead and think about it sometime. Yeah, so I'm gonna soon, you guys will see overview on, you know, the mods of the car aesthetically and what I paid for and how much was like the wide body kit and all that good stuff. I'm not gonna get on a tangent. They still have the kit to install in the front APR carbon splitter and then the custom aluminum splitter, you know, and I might have to change the tires for the car too, because the tires right now, especially in the front, are way too thick. I'm running a 295/45 R18 on a 12 on an 18 by 11 in the front, which is way too thick and way too tall. So I'm gonna see, I might have to go with like a 285/40 or a 275/40, you know, with some camber. But anyways, it's enough talking. I appreciate you guys for watching and tuning in. This is Whiplash from $1 Million Dreams signing out. We got another $1 Million video. All my social media is in the description box down below, and in the beginning and end card of the video, with also my other channels, as well in the description box down below. So be sure to show love. Appreciate you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I'm out. Be safe. Peace.
That money, my dreams come true, my life.